Hi, my dear YouTube fragrance friends. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for being here together with me today, guys. And I'm coming here, guys. I'm coming because I would like to discuss with you, about this particular product, guys. It's a new perfume. I will unbox it for you guys. The name is, I show you what's the name is, AHLAM. AHLAM. AHLAM Al Arab, and it's, guys, by ARD Al ZAAFARAN. ARD Al ZAAFARAN. Why I bought this perfume? Because there is one of my subscriber was talking that she was wearing it, or it was like a scent of the day basically. And I looked a few times, guys. So first thing what I was attracted to was the price. The price was good. Second thing, what I was attracted to is that there was citrus note. I'm not into it, but I mean, because I was afraid to have I was afraid to have a very strong perfume, because once I will unbox it, you will see the bottle will look kind of a little bit masculine. It will look like a strong perfume, that would be a bit repulsive to buy for lady, maybe like so the bottle repulsed me. But those notes, I said, there is citrus there, maybe it's not too bad. I was thinking it's not too bad, maybe there will be something that I will like, so I got this perfume. But now, guys, as I'm reading on Amazon here, in the description, it says on the reviews, it says is not suitable as a blind buy. Let's see, guys. I will unbox this perfume. Sorry, yeah, that's correct. So you saw how it looks like, isn't it? So the price expiry is in 2025, guys. So I have like 3 years left for me to consume this product. It's made in 2020, so 2 years ago, guys, it was made, this particular perfume. So let's unbox this. It's ARD AL ZAAFARAN. Many of ARD AL ZAAFARAN perfume, guys, are kind of as I always say, westernized and kind of very nice to use. They could be kind of on the fresh side, which is great. Let's unbox it. So I unboxed this perfume, guys. It's nice. The bottle is kind of a little bit golden, isn't it? Golden or something like that. Golden, the packaging, guys, with some brown, which suggests there it might be masculine scent, guys, as it says here. I'm not sure, guys, if, like, let's say when I bought on Amazon, let me see. I'm not sure if the bottle kind of looked exactly the same. That's a bit questionable for me. Let me hold it for you. And let me have a look at them. Oh yeah, it looks kind of similar. I just kind of imagined a little bit different, So as you can see, the bottle basically on Amazon looks a bit different. It looks like, guys, that this thing is all over the bottle, on Amazon. But here is a bit different, I have never, guys, got yet fake perfumes, but never say never. But I don't think it will be fake perfume. Looks masculine to me. It looks masculine. So imagine, let's say once I smell it, if that would be masculine perfume, that would be a bit disappointing to me, because that means I might not wear it, yeah, I might not wear it. The packaging, the bottle looks masculine. Looks masculine, guys, to me. What about if, let's say, nothing, cannot feel. Okay, I hold it, guys, for you. I hold it, and let me see, guys, just a little bit, if don't mind, guys, if my eyes will be looking to this direction, because I have a computer here, because I need to figure it out. It says for adult, of course, for adult. ARD AL ZAAFARAN brand. What else does it say, guys? It says perfume. It's a wonderful gentle fragrance full of harmony of oriental notes. So it's a gentle fragrance full of harmony of oriental tones. This is an impressive sensual and masculine fragrance. I don't like that word masculine, because it already, guys, says that it might not be for ladies, might not be for me. So there is amazing combination of citrus, okay, oriental woody notes, okay, citrus woody, not too bad, that notes that inspires, it says. And then there is mandarin fruity notes and top note convert rapidly to oriental spices, woody notes, and cedar. So some kind of woody perfume. I like woody perfumes. The base is flattering, soft with amber. I love amber, guys. One of my best amber perfume is you know, Ragba by Latafa is my best perfume, and I wear it even in the hot weather. I still wear it, guys. While musk gives the perfume a masculine touch, so it can be a bit masculine, makes it desirable to bold man, and also comes in a nice elegant bottle. Fragrance notes, mandarin, fruity notes, spice, wood, and amber. So you see, guys, I saw the word masculine 2 times. When I bought it, I didn't read it very well. I didn't read it, guys. I didn't read it, you know. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see what other people say, guys. Let's see what other people say. So other people, what do they say, guys? It says that not suitable for a blind buy, it says. And then purchased because of the positive reviews. But then I cannot basically it wasn't expensive, and then when I drop it, basically the person dropped it to the charity shop, this perfume. So some people say that it doesn't last long, and then basically washing up, scrubbing, basically it's very strong, cannot even wash off. It says perfume is still there from the morning until 9 p.m. It's not overpowering and very different. It's not overpowering, so but the guys cannot wash it off from the skin or something. Pleasant aftershave, but spicy and woody and musky. Not sure, person says. And then basically it says that the description given here wasn't correct. And then nice product, but whatever, something about delivery. This is lovely perfume, good for all occasions. That's a man says, for every man, you know. And then they will buy it again. And then I was expecting something nice. I have lived in Middle East for years, and I can make it a medium class perfume. That's a medium class perfume. And then there is no more reviews, guys. I cannot see. So what I purchased here, guys, might be a mistake. But you know what, guys? We can always double check it. We can double check it and triple check it, guys. Double check it and triple check it. I really hope that I could hit this perfume just at least sometimes. You know, that wouldn't be too masculine. Let's see, guys. Let's see what it is. Let's see. Cannot feel nothing. That color of the liquid reminds me of Dolce & Gabbana. You know, the one. So, oh God. Okay, so sorry, a lot of alcohol there. So it's citrus, you know, it's citrus, like a kind of, like many of ARD AL ZAAFARAN perfume, they have kind of citrus notes. Sorry, a lot of alcohol is hitting there in the nose. Too much of the alcohol. Reminds me a little bit of ARD AL ZAAFARAN, Dirham Gold, you know, those type of typical, you know, ARD AL ZAAFARAN man type of perfumes. And guys, there's nothing that I like in here. There's nothing that I like in this perfume, you know. Makes me a little bit think, is this like a fake I got? But I don't think so, because it's just a matter of waiting that, you know, for that alcohol to go away. So I felt a lot of alcohol and citrus notes, those type of very light, you know, type of little bit of masculine notes, you know, nothing too much overpowering, just apart from the alcohol, of course. Reminds me of this ARD AL ZAAFARAN oud collection, you know, that oud collection, Dirham oud collection, is the one that you cannot feel a lot. I couldn't feel a lot that perfume. So it's kind of... maybe I feel some kind of musk, guys. I think that's the perfume. That little bit soapy vibes as well. That's the perfume. Like, I don't feel much anything feminine, you know. I don't know, guys. I really don't know. soapy, musky vibes, you know, basically blast of citrus, guys. Blast of citrus mixed with alcohol, and then it's fading away, and then you are left with the musk and soapy type of smell, but very type of nothing special and vague, you know, kind of cheap, very kind of delicate and kind of fades away very quick. Don't feel much amber, but you know, maybe there's that subtileness in this type of subtileness, you know, in this smell, because everything kind of fade away, you know, in a way. There's not much left. This type of clean type of vibe, but there is no much feminine, you know. I don't know if I could wear. Imagine this Latafa Naja, you know. So Latafa Naja, and it fades away 3 times. It fades away, and then what you have left on your hand, you know, it's kind of leftovers of Naja once it fades away. You know, Latafa Naja for man. So me as a woman, guys, no. I think no, guys. I will not make it wearable for myself unless I spray it with something else. There is no, I don't feel any amber, you know. I don't feel it. Oh, guys, that's a mistake. That could be one of my type of mistake perfume, you know, that I bought. It wasn't expensive, guys. That's great, but that would be no, you know. Pretty kind of freshy masculine that fades away, you know. What are those notes here? Like, again, like, it's essential. Like, it's nothing left there, you know. Cedar, woody notes, basically everything is so vague, guys. Everything, fruity notes cannot feel spice. There's so little, guys. Like, it's a very weak perfume. I might be mistaken, guys. I will need to double check it later on, but I can already see that this perfume is not worth buying. It's very, like, unless if you are a man that likes very weak perfumes, you know, like that you cannot even feel. There's a little bit of citrus. Oh, I don't know, guys. Like, it might be a mistake. I think I will leave you at that. I see very low possibility, guys, of me liking this perfume, unfortunately. Maybe next time is the lesson to read a little bit more of the descriptions, like, you know, and if I would see a word written for man, you know, maybe I shouldn't buy it for myself. Like, anyway, that's all, guys. That's all. It's a little bit disappointing, you know. But you know, guys, I hope that helped you. If you are looking at this perfume, if you are a lady, skip this perfume. If you are a man, the good point of this perfume that there is a masculine vibe in this perfume. The bad point about this perfume is that it fades away very quick. What you have left is only citrus, a little bit of citrus, and a little bit of some kind of like a musky type of soapy scent, you know. Like, it's so weak, guys. It's like there might be no projection, you know, unless you would spray. Maybe you could spray a lot. Projection, you know, guys. I will try to mix this perfume with something else, but I'm very disappointed as for myself, you know, because I don't see it for myself very wearable, you know. Very weak perfume compared to other perfumes like Latafa Naja is stronger than this, you know. That, you know, ARD AL ZAAFARAN Gold is stronger than this, and then, you know, our basically this one will be, guys, on the weaker side. Very disappointed. I'm disappointed. Let me know, guys, do you have different opinion about this perfume? Let me know, guys, if you have a different perspective. Maybe the one that I got here is a fake, because on Amazon there's a bit different there, you know. It's kind of around, supposed to be this page supposed to be all over around, you know, unless they change the packaging now. Do you feel the same like me? What do you feel? Have you ever got compliments? That would be so surprising, guys. Let me know what's your experience about this perfume. Maybe there's something wrong in what I feel as well. Citrus, you know. citrus, light citrus, let me see, guys. I will try this perfume. I will definitely try. I will see how I go, guys. I don't see much of progression in this perfume. Okay, guys. Citrus, light type of citrus, I hope they helped you to save your money, and I will come back to you another time. Have a beautiful day, guys. So that was Dirham al sorry, AHLAM al Arab, AHLAM al Arab by ARD Al ZAAFARAN. Have a fantastic day. Like this video so I will know that if I helped you in some ways, and then guys, I will wish you to have a fantastic day. Bye bye, guys. See you soon. Bye bye.